Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to download and install Remitly app in your mobile phone. For that you need to go to your Play Store if you are Android user and App Store if you are an iOS user. So here I'm going on my Play Store. So you need to click on the Play Store application to get inside. Here at the topmost you can see a search button. You need to click on that and now you need to search for Remitly app and click on search. You can see the one at the top with 4.5 rating and 32 MB. That is the app that you would want to install. So I'm gonna click on this application and here you can see an option for install. Now you need to click on install and your application will start to get downloaded in your mobile phone. So Remitly is basically an application that helps you send money worldwide using your bank account, credit card or debit card. More Money makes it home to friends and family by Remitly's app. So this is an online money sending application that is faster and more secure from the United States, and it discovers great exchange rates and low transfer fees. So our app is getting installed and it is in the process of installing. So here you can see that our app is installed already. Now you need to click on open in order to get inside the app. So I'm clicking on this button with open sign and I'm inside Remitly app. Now you can freely access your app by simply logging in and you can enjoy transferring money from your bank account to anywhere. Thank you.